Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share a very delicious and all-time favorite paneer butter masala. Here are the ingredients. Come on, let's get started. In a pot, I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon butter. Let the butter melt. Now I'll be adding 4 cardamom. Then I'll be adding cashews. They are some 10 in number. And I'll be adding some garlic. Let me give a good stir. The cashews and garlic needs to be fried a little so that the raw smell in the garlic and cashews also should be fried a little. Now let's add onions. I have added both red and white onions together. You can use only red or white, it's of your choice. Now let us add the tomatoes. Give it a good mix. Don't need to fry long. Just stir it and give a good mix. Now I'll be adding some salt. Followed by half a glass of water. Just to boil the onions and tomatoes. I'll be just leaving it for 15 minutes and it's done. Now let it cool completely before we just blend it. It's completely cooled down. Now I'm just loading up the blender. It has to blend very smooth and fine. If it is not very smooth, you can just strain it with a strainer also, but I'm not going to do that as I have done it very smoothly. Now in another pot, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Let the butter melt. Now I'll be adding cumin seeds, that is zira, and 2 cardamom and 2 bay leaf. It's just a simple tempering. Now I'll be adding the blend of tomatoes and onions. Do not skip cashew. That gives the real taste to the paneer butter masala or any butter masala. Now I'm adding salt and chili powder. Mix it well. And now I'll put the lid on and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes again. The oil will be oozing out. Now finally I'll be adding the paneer cubes. Just its last 5 minutes. Only last 5 minutes you can add the paneer. Paneer should not be cooked very long. If you cook it for a long time, the paneer becomes hard. Now I'll be adding garam masala and kasuri methi, the dry fenugreek. This is the secret ingredients. Do not skip this as well. You have to rub it in your palm, which will release the extra aroma. Now the paneer butter masala is ready. The final touch is you have to add the butter, which is also the main ingredient. Last 1 tablespoon of butter. Now the paneer butter masala is ready. Let's toast a naan with the butter. You can enjoy this paneer butter masala with naan, with paratha, or with any chapati, or even with pulao or fried rice. Finally, to decorate, also you can mix it inside the cream, which gives extra richness to the gravy. Now let's serve it. The delicious paneer butter masala is ready to enjoy. Thanks for watching.